Good evening, everybody, and welcome to another live episode.
Episode 87 of Satoshi Analysis.
We're Satoshi Ninjas, and we're here to break it down for you.
I got it.
Happy Good Friday to everyone out here. And hopefully a good weekend. I don't know about in crypto terms, but as far as buying the dip, maybe.
So let's just do QR as usual normal gong. If you guys like our show, like, comment, subscribe.
Smash up that like button, y'all, and smash that gong.
And we stole that from Superman. Not the gong, the smash. I love that. His accent's wonderful.
I know. Shout out.
Europeans' accents always.
London, UK.
For sure. But yeah. Good.
For sure.
Welcome to the Good Friday Massacre.
Yeah, welcome. We're trying to clean up the bleeding. It looks like Ethereum stopped bleeding today. Litecoin. Looks like it also stopped. It's bleeding. EOS even stopped bleeding.
I mean, a lot of people are asking, is this the bottom? Or is this...
So, okay, let's go to that one graph. What is that, market cycle graph?
Which one was that?
You know, the one that everyone shows. Hold on, let me see.
Oh, that shit. Isn't that, like, supposed to be for bubbles?
This one.
Yeah.
This one and this one. Let's look at both of them.
The bubble, the tulip chart. Is that you're talking about the tulip chart? Yeah.
Well, just like any, basically the mean. We're pretty much trying to get back to this mean, right? And let's just say, this was a great pump of 2017. Oh man, enthusiasm, FOMO, blah, blah, blah. Bam, trap, bam, sink. Like, we're probably either right here, and we may go a little lower before we go up, or we're just going to trade sideways for a bit, according to the Wall Street cheat sheet, although this ain't Wall Street. But we're definitely not at our highs.
I mean, that's if it follows this, but to be honest, let's do it by market cap. I think. Oh crap!
As in, are we bottoming out?
What I'm saying is, does the chart actually even look like that anymore, though?
Which part, like that end, that
the drop, yeah.
The end of the
market cycle drop.
Yeah, it looks like we're somewhere along.
I get the up, right?
Let's just say this is the mean. Like,
you have the first drop. Actually, let me just do this to zoom in right here. So you had the all-time high of 700, over 800 bill, and then you have this huge drop right here. But then it's just like, oh, it might recover.
Right,
and
bear
the
trap.
Second drop, right? The bear trap was here. The trap was here, technically by that chart.
Right.
And then this is where you would end, and this is supposedly, but it's still continued on a bearish cycle.
Right. So if you go to the cheat sheet.
Which one? This one?
So we're probably like according to this cheat sheet, maybe in this depression.
According
area.
to this cheat sheet, we're past this point already.
Not even.
Yeah.
That's going back up.
Because you have
we ain't going up yet.
This is a suckers rally, and we had the suckers rally, which I call from here. This point is the suckers rally. You get what I'm saying?
Go back to the cheat sheet.
It's like we're beyond.
Everybody got in that suckers rally though.
Yeah, they did. But I even was buying.
What about the anger rally? I think that sucker rally you're referring to, maybe the anger. I don't think we're here yet.
There's no anger rally though.
I don't think we're like.
They're like
that's up. Like so you're telling me it's just repeating the depression disbelief.
It kind of has been, yeah.
Like we're trading sideways, a little disbelief, more depression, more disbelief.
So like as I was showing you in TradingView earlier, we need to see that bear flag close.
Could be, we could be bottoming out here. Like we're literally 70 to 90% off our fucking highs.
But the good news is every time it drops here, like to this point, there is clear support at the absolute lowest. The market is willing to make sure it doesn't drop below 250. Right.
So we're going into the suckers rally, according to the cheat sheet.
according to my instinct, there's two ways this can go. Either we start shifting into a bullish market, or we have another false, like how here it dropped and then you had an increase, right?
We gotta zoom out. Zoom out. We gotta get the mean. We gotta get the mean.
If we do the mean, I wish TradingView would let me do market cap.
So like that's the mean, right? Like look at that.
They can't see your hands, bro.
I know, but
I wish we could do lines.
how much lower? Like that's pretty on.
It is pretty on the mean. I agree with that, but the mean lines have been known to be wrong.
And it should go. It could possibly go a little lower than the mean before going up.
Yeah.
So don't get in that sucker's rally where you think it's gonna go up at the mean.
But normally they say whenever it goes below the mean, it's always a great buy opportunity.
Right. RSI at its lowest here.
It's getting back there, but as I said, the only thing we're worried about, RSI got pretty low over here, and we did a video of it too, I think. And then we're like, yeah, RSI has hit its absolute lowest. It's gonna go up. We're seeing the same things again in. I should just pull up TradingView real quick, just for our viewers, because they deserve good charts.
Yeah, they deserve our valuable knowledge.
So is it still on 1 day? Perfect. So let's pull up the indicators. RSI, relative strength. RSI and MACD are one of my favorite indicators to use. Moving average also comes in.
Yeah, shout out to Data Dash with the moving averages.
But like,
this is pretty much the second best buy opportunity this year.
So every time we've talked about this, whenever it starts hitting 30, if not goes below it. So we talked about this last time in a video where like great buy opportunity, and you had a mini bull rally. This is what I was talking. This is like the suckers rally. You get what I'm saying?
Plus, previous resistance usually becomes new support. Shout out Data Dash.
Yeah, and at this point right here, when we hit 11.5, we needed it to break out and towards a more bullish side, but instead it decided to change up and go back into a bearish trend. Back
right to the mean.
Mm-hmm. Let's actually do a mean line since we can show it. Oh, whoops, wrong.
Can you make it night charts on?
That we'd have to log in. I don't want to log in.
Never mind. Like if you draw a line, how many years can you zoom out here?
I'm wondering if it will let me do.
There you go. Yeah, that's pretty far out, right?
Yeah, let's do a long-term link.
A long-term mean.
Stupid thing.
I guess
would fall somewhere along the lines of that, I'd say.
Yeah, touch the red line.
I can't touch this because we don't know if this is the bottom. You get what I'm saying? So I'm trying to go by
the support, just the straight up support. So I mean, oh yeah, if you go by these 2 points, like
that's
you just
what
did,
I was trying to do. Yeah.
Go lower, go lower, go lower.
No, that's perfect.
No way.
No, that we've seen it go below median lines before. I find with the high volume here, this is a good like area to like pick.
So you're saying, so we're gonna get
like, see, this is a high volume as well here, and this is a good high volume.
What's that number? 6K?
62.25. So about a $600 more dip. So what we could potentially, I want to move forward.
Are we on?
Yeah, we are.
Shout out to everybody in the chat. Yeah, do that.
So
stretch that. Yeah, perfect.
So we're trying to go more out into the future, right? So if we go do this median trend line, and then let's add another line showing this bearish.
Start from up there.
That would create. We could do a long term like that too.
That bitch.
So normally, what people would say is like, "Hey, this flag once it closes and it meets over here, you're gonna either have a more bullish rally or it could go further."
Yeah,
down.
if you do this Fibonacci Hagen Lee stuff, you gotta do A, B, C.
Hagen, I think
right?
he uses something else, doesn't he?
He does some A, B, C, D.
I know what he uses. I completely forgot what he uses. It's not
Elliott wave.
Yes, Elliott waves. I was thinking Ichimoku clouds, and I'm like, that's not it.
What?
Oh, you've never seen Ichimoku clouds? Is one of the most comprehensive but hardest freaking indicators to freaking learn.
Smash up that like button and smash that gong, everyone, for those notifications. If you like our content so far, make sure you share.
But like as I said, we had a small bull rally here. But like this is where even us, like the ninjas, everyone is cannot tell you where the bottom could occur, because the median trend line still is a little bit lower. We could still see a more bullish.
What's that number?
Let's move that down there.
Yeah, move it
That's
to
5,700.
58-ish.
It's 5,700 to the dot. Like 80, 56, 63 at the apps. Sorry, 54.78 if I go with that tiny line there.
Holy shit. No, it's higher than that right there. Right up. Yeah, the bottom of this candle.
Yeah, that's the price I told you.
58?
No, 50. Bottom of that is 54.
You're going to have the other candle. This one right here.
That's the one. You got to look at the line that goes beneath it too.
58.
All right, if you want to go bottom,
that one,
57.74.
All right, so yeah, like you said, 58. Pretty much is a nice, like, that was like literally beginning of the wave. And we might go right back to it.
Personally, I don't like Elliott waves. But that's
I don't use much TA.
But to the people who do like them, like, kudos to you. Everyone has their own way. Elliott waves just...
But we are going to have a breakout. Will it be up or will it be down?
But, like, RSI is always a great indicator. It's shown us across the board. How old is this? I'm going back to... Let's even go further back. Let's go back into... What year is this? I'm going back 2015.
Dude, look at that RSI. It's, like, weak as fuck.
I mean, if we're closer in these smaller areas, you would see the craziness like this in bigger form if I just zoomed into these parts.
Yeah.
But as you can see, like, these are market indicators that show you in the long term of, like, when's a good time to buy, when's not a good time to sell. Every time it goes over, this is a great pump that we had. We've had multiple great pumps through RSI, as you can see. And you sell at those moments. But as we can see, as long as it's around here at RSI, it's always a good time to buy and just hodl at that point. It can still drop further down, but at least you know you long term when it bounces back up, because it has to. The technicals say that, like, if it gets to that price, that it has to get gobbled up by the market. The market will gobble up anyone willing to buy it. And once you have, like, people who are smart looking at these indicators buying it, the sheep start to follow as normal. The only thing we got to worry about is for it to just have a small bounce up like this and just to go down. So just keep that in mind. If it hits here, it might be a good time to sell again, you know?
And guys, even if you know, if you didn't end up buying anything since this wave even started, which was pretty much at 5,800, like what, last year, you're still, like, if you get in now, it's not like you're getting in at 20K.
Actually, that's a freaking amazing point. If you have not invested in cryptos whatsoever, have nothing in it, absolutely zero. You're just tuning in because you're curious about this shit.
You can ride the next wave.
Yeah, like, honestly, like...
And I'll tell you, that wave was fun.
Yeah, it was fun.
Just make sure you know when to get out.
Just my, like, recommendation to the beginner: do not buy Tron. Do not buy Ripple.
Just stick to the blue chips.
I won't, bro. Actually, our viewers should hear this. So you know how I had spring break and I went back to school and stuff, right? The amount of people that fucked up buying Tron at 20 fucking cents. Unreal. I just didn't even want to talk to him because it's like, are you kidding me? You're trying to convince me that Tron's a good investment.
Hey, man, I learned, what was my first investment? I forget.
In crypto or in general?
In crypto.
Wouldn't that be Bitcoin?
It would be Bitcoin.
Even which you can't lose.
Which I can't lose. And then Ether, that was good. Liquid, that was good too. So I guess I wasn't like these Tron, like, people. And I got Tron under, like, 1 penny. So
Same
I can't
here,
say
bro.
shit.
And I sold that shit when it pumped, bro. And I didn't know it would pump to 20 cents. I'll be honest, I sold that shit at like 8 cents. Like,
yeah. So just, you know, we have some opportunities in front of us here. Wait for the bottom out. This may or may not be it, but don't sleep, people. Get that bag.
And if you want to spend a day or two, it'll probably dip a little below that, and you could get a slightly better price. But you know you got it at a good price. Yeah. Neo at 50, phenomenal. Ether around 390. I never thought I'd see that again.
Yeah.
I swear, I'm kind of happy. I'm like, I need to load up on. And here's the deal, bro. Guys, Ninja Clan, do not buy the shit coins. Load up on Bitcoin Ether.
Load up on the fucking blue chips because those will go.
That's like, they're at a exclusive low price that you probably
literally 70 to 90% off.
Yeah.
Literally, like, this is a sale. You got, like, this was given to you guys, so take it. Like,
you remember we were talking about Neo 4050 last November?
Yeah. That's it right now, and that's a low.
And that was like the prior to the great pump of that
2017.
Yeah, that whole
so
Christmas
we're back
pump.
to the mean, like.
Yeah, we're back to pre-November pricing. All those people who got in before November, like none of us were down.
All this volatility was just weak hands coming in and out.
Little kids not knowing what to do.
Like shitcoin companies going in and out, scams coming in and out, but we're pretty much shaking everybody out.
We also have like a bunch of old people who think they know what cryptos are, but they don't.
No, they don't. The average dude is like 35 male.
I'd say like 32.
In the, like, you know.
Yeah, they were there during the Silk Road days.
Yeah.
But let me hit the gong real
smash
quick.
up that likes and hit that gong for those notifications.
But I think that's all we have for today.
Yeah, hope y'all have a happy Good Friday. If y'all celebrate Easter, do your thing.
Happy Passover.
Do your thing.
For sure, we're in a Jewish neighborhood.
Yeah. Shout out to y'all.
Yeah, for sure. Take care, guys. Peace out. Ninjas out.